So today we are going to see what are the bases of Raj Yoga meditation. Because we have covered connection in third lesson, but what are the bases to get that connection? There must be some basis so that we have a connection with the Supreme Godfather. So what are these bases? It is indicated in this picture. Basis of Raj Yoga, that is 4 bases of the, you can say, whole thing, which is indicated here. One is Satsang, that is a company of the truth, that is Supreme Godfather. Another is divine virtues, what we were talking at the end yesterday. Third is the pure food, what kind of food we should take. And fourth is the relationship, what kind of relationship we have with him, that is Supreme Godfather. It is indicated here, one, you can say, soul doing a tapasya, doing, you can say, Raj Yoga, and these are the 4 bases which is indicated here. So what is happening? Suppose there is a, you can say, magnifying glass is there, and we concentrate the sunrise on that glass and put on the paper will burn. Individual sun rays cannot burn the paper, cannot burn anything, but when we are concentrating via certain, you can say, technique, then it is concentrated and able to light a fire. Same way, when we are concentrating with the thought with the Supreme Soul, we are getting his light and might, and with that might we can burn our sins. We can burn our sins means negativity and waste, what is accumulated inside it. So these 2 things are indicated. So let's start with the satsang. What is the satsang? Sat means God, sang means company. We'll go ahead. What do you mean by satsang? How to keep the company of God? We already showed that Godfather is no body. He is incorporeal. He is accepted by all souls, all religions. He is supreme. He is beyond. He is the knower. He is the ocean of all knowledge, power, and virtue. That how we can keep the company of him. So Godfather descended in this world. What we narrated that by giving a vision to a particular person whose name he kept as a Brahma. Tomorrow we will cover that one, and spoken through his body. That is, we can say, as a class or Murli. From 1936 to 1969, he was using the body of that old guy and giving a class, or we can say as a Murli. In Brahma Kumaris, we say using the word Murli. Murli means word spoken by Supreme Godfather, nothing else. Murli means not that wooden Murli, which you can say, we can say wooden flute. No. It is a word spoken by Supreme Godfather, which is, you can say, recorded, and which is, you can say, written by somebody else. And everything is available, you can say, on the website. So you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to toil for anything. Just you go through the website and you will find every day different versions and with different meanings. So what is that? We will go one by one. We have posted all these slides today, and you can see the whole website there. So you may not write the website what is that, but we will go through how to get through the website where it is. So we'll go one by one. As for example, suppose one we have indicated babamurli.com. Baba means Supreme Godfather, Murli means word spoken by him, and com means it is a 2 website. One is com, one is org. So if com is down, you can use the org also. Both have same thing. So every day Godfather's versions is spoken in Hindi, but it is translated in 27 languages, which you can see here. Because Brahma Kumaris has now all over the world in 140 countries, 9,500 centers are there. And we are participants. We are participating through these centers. Everyday class, that is we call as a Murli, and it is available in 27 languages, because It is spread all over the world. You can see on the left side, there are, you can say, different languages, which is foreign languages. That is, you can say Dutch, Spanish, Italian, Chinese, Tamil, Lanka, French, Greek, Hungarian, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Sindhi, Thai, Singali, and opposite side, Nepali, 27th. And all our Indian language, that is, you can Hindi main, then English, that is international language, and then again 12 language, including, you can say, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Odia, Assamese, Bengalis, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, and Tamil. Total 27 languages. Originally, Godfather spoken in Hindi and later on translated in all the languages as children or Baba increase all over the world. In Toronto, we have main center at 3000 Islington Avenue, and we have sub-centers in five sub-centers in GTA. So all the centers all over the world, they share the same date Murli, which is being uploaded by Mount Abu, India, because global headquarters is in Mount Abu. So if we go, you can say English languages, for example, then we will see what is that now. Godfather has no body, so how he works? He works through three, you can say, technique. One, when we are meditating with him, he gives touching to our intellect. Second way of working is he is giving answer through Murli or class. So what kind of Murli that see? You can see here. So, and all dates are there, every days, and it says Murli HTM, PDF, Murli SMS, then UK, MP3, MP3, Murli 2, English word, then Murli Vardhan 2, Murli Swaman, today's thought for PDF and calendar, today's calendar JPG pictures. So suppose we are going on today's date, that is 23rd, then suppose we open a PDF file here. Any language you can use, no problem at all. So this is the, you can say, what it is. So every day what we are doing. So we also suggest that at least 2 to 3 months, you make a practice to read the Murli, to catch 3-4 words from the Murli, and try to put in practice. If we do 7 days course and then living, it will be evaporated within few days only, knowledge, because we are not using knowledge. What do you mean by knowledge? There is a lot of information in the world available on Google and many different search engines. But that is only information. We cannot set it as a knowledge. So if we are finishing 7 days course and you can say forget it, it is a simply information. It is not a knowledge. Knowledge means when we are putting something in practice. So what we suggest always, you continue wherever you are going. Either you're going to temple or mosque or church or gurudwara, wherever you are going, no problem at all. Only for about 3 months, you put in practice what is happening with the help of this, whether it is working or not, and then decide what to do. Because we all are logical persons, we all are intelligent persons. So we should first try in our life whether any change is there in my life with the help of this thing. If yes, even some percentage, maybe very small or very, very little, but if we feel that we got more and more knowledge and when we put in practice it is more and more useful, then slowly and gradually go ahead. So at least try for 2 to 3 months and experiment in your life. Don't believe that somebody is telling these things so it is right. No. It is not a blind faith. It is a pure logical scientific knowledge. So what is the Murli now? On top of the Murli every day you will get the date. There is a morning Murli, means when you can say the Dada, that's what we call as a Brahma, or you can say Dada, when he was there through his body, Supreme Godfather using his body, he is spoken the word in the morning. Om Shanti means I am a peaceful soul. It means I will listen this class or Murli by considering myself as a soul. And who is telling the Murli? Supreme Soul. So my consciousness will be up to that level. If level is missed, we may miss the points or words, you can say. We say Bap Dada, Bap means Supreme God. Father Dada means in whose body he is coming. So both Bap and Dada. Madhuban, it is the headquarter at Mount Abu of Brahma Kumaris. So now, essence of the whole Murli. Every day there will be essence will be there, question answer will be there, and then Murli starts. See the essence. Today, as for example, 23rd May 2020, what is the essence? Sweet children. Supreme Godfather is there. He always says sweet children. He knows what kind of children we are. So what we have to do? We have to put this in practice, that is in our practical life. When we are dealing with our children, or when we are dealing with the children of Him, that is Supreme Godfather, who are our brothers, then we must have sweetness. We don't have any kind of prejudice, any kind of impression, any kind of expectation, nothing, no. They are children of God. We are children of God. We soul as a brother. We should deal with everyone with sweetness. So we have to put in practice. Every day in the evening, we have to check ourselves whether we were able to put in practice or not. If not, then tomorrow I will improve more, or we will improve more. So, sweet children, make yourselves worthy of claiming a tilak of sovereignty. Tilak of sovereignty means it is a kingdom on whom, on the self, not on others. The more you study and the more you follow Srimad means elevated versions of the Supreme Godfather through these classes or through this Murli. So the more you study and the more you follow Srimad, the more you will be able to claim your tilak of sovereignty. So self-sovereignty here, and when we have a self-sovereignty, then in the future there will be world sovereignty. If we are not able to have a self-sovereignty, we cannot control ourselves, then there is no chance to get the world sovereignty in the future. So question, what awareness should you maintain so that you forget the awareness of Ravan? Ravan means Maya. We already covered. 5 greater vices narrated in the scripture, and 5 they are small brothers, little brothers. 10 vices in each and every human being, that is called Ravan or Maya. So, answer, always remain aware that you are neither male or female. We are a soul. Soul means no body. After coming in body, we become a male or female. So Baba says, always remain aware that you are neither male or female, but souls. That you are claiming your inheritance from the senior father, that is Shiv Baba, that is Supreme Godfather, through the junior father, that is the Brahma, that is the Dada, in whose body is coming. So Dada is not God. Supreme Godfather is the God. Only he is using his body. That's all. This awareness removes your awareness of Ravan's devilish things. If we have the awareness of the soul, there will be no problem at all. All the boundaries which are coming due to body will go away, will vanish. When you have the awareness that you are all simply children of the one Father, your awareness of devilish things will end. This is very good way to remain pure. However, a lot of effort is required for this. So to be a soul conscious, it requires effort. Nothing is free, isn't it, in this world also? So we have to make effort. His duty, Supreme God Father's duty, is to give the knowledge and empower us. Our duty is to put in practice what he shows. So Murli means it is a treasure of pure, positive, powerful thoughts, which is very, very useful to change our life. And every day, sometimes it may not be song will be there. In those days, Hindi movie songs were playing, and Supreme Godfather was explaining the meaning. Having found you, we have found everything. Found you means Supreme Godfather. The earth, the sky, and everything else belongs to us. Om Shanti means again I am a peaceful soul, and then it starts. We are not going to read whole Murli because it will take about 1 hour. We may have a class at the end for one day, that is only for one Murli. We will cover how to read the Murli. So I am not going to read today because it will take about 1 hour approximately, at least 40-45 minutes. So I am skipping. So what is there now? There are 3 pages every day. We are getting every day 3 pages you will get on the internet. No need to going anywhere else. So this is 1 by 3. This is the second page 2 by 3, and then this is the third page 3 by 3. So at the end, what will be? Every day the Godfather said to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children. Why long lost? Because we have lost our Supreme Godfather for 5,000 years. Love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and in response to that, we say spiritual children's love, remembrance, and good morning, and say namaste to the spiritual father. Every day, this hand will be there. Means Supreme God Father salutes his children. In Lokik world, in worldly life also, Father is the servant of the children. Because he creates the children, gives the all education, gives all nourishment, and make them, you can say, proper, or make them, you can say, qualified for the present society. So Father is a servant of the children. Supreme God Father say, I am also a servant of you children, because he is the Father of all souls. Then essence for dharana for the whole Murli, as for example, 1, in order to give yourself a tilak of sovereignty, make yourself worthy. Worthy. Worthy means we have to make ourselves soul conscious. Become a worthy child and give a proof of that. Means put in everything, practice what Baba says. Your activity and behavior has to be very royal. For that thing, our behavior and activities should be as per Srimad, elevated directions of Supreme Godfather. Baba means Supreme Godfather. Become a complete helper of the Father. Second, we are students and God is teaching us. We must have an intoxication that no human being, no sage, no deity, no sages, no holy man, no Maulvi, no priest, no pujari, nobody is teaching here. He himself is coming in the body of the Dada, and he is giving us knowledge. Study with happiness. With this happiness, we must have intoxication and happiness. Never become disheartened with your efforts. If something goes wrong, don't worry. Improve yourself. Learn from the situation and go ahead. Every day there will be one blessing and one slogan. So blessing is, may you pass may you pass in the paper of 1 second with your controlling power and pass with honors. So Godfather says final paper will be of 1 second only. And we have to be Yudhishthir in that paper. Yudhishthir means stable, cool, calm in the war. So paper will be of only 1 second. And when we will pass that paper, when we have a controlling power. Controlling power doesn't mean that to stop the thoughts. No, controlling power means power to pack up and pass with honor. Sabha explains what it means. Sababa says, come into the body one moment and to be detached from the body the next, and to stabilize in the avyakta stage. Avyakta means, you can say, which avyakta means beyond this body, that is subtle body, complete and perfect body. To the extent that there is a chaos, see the sentence, let your stage be very peaceful. To the extent that there is a chaos, let your state be very peaceful, and for this you need the power to back up. In 1 second, go from expansion to the essence, and in 1 second, go from essence into expansion. Only those with such controlling power are able to control the world. If we have a practice of that thing here, then and then future we will be that kind of quality, otherwise not. It is this practice that will enable you to pass with honors in the final paper of 1 second. Slogan, every day one slogan is there. Experience and give others the experience of the stage of retirement. What do you mean by retirement? Retirement means nirvana. Nirvana means beyond speech. And games of childhood will finish. So Baba says, experience the, you can say, stage of retirement means beyond speech. There is one formula of Baba: speak less, speak sweetly, and speak softly. So this we have to put in practice. So every day you will get 3 pages class, which is full of, you can say, knowledge, and you will get all the solutions of your day-to-day problem from this movie. Somebody may ask that it has spoken before, you can say, almost you can say before 69, because Dada has left the body in 69. So somebody say it is almost 45, 50 years. But when Godfather spoke the words, he has always keep in mind all the souls against him, and there is no, you can say, restriction or you can say limitation of boundary, space and time to his version, because the Supreme Godfather. His consciousness are always very, very high. So every day for 3 months at least, you experiment and see in your life. If you are not able to read everything, we have the, you can say, classes every day on this Skype. We are reading the Murli in the evening, you say evening in Hindi and morning in English. If you are not able to attend the class, you will get the same Murli through the internet also, and we are also uploading the Murli in YouTube. So try to read by yourself and listen by yourself and put in practice for at least 3 months and see any change is there or not. It is not a, you can say, talk of talking only. Baba says, put in practice, make a practical life. And that life will work further, that life will lead to some furtherance, you can say. So you will get all this Murli in .com. Also other side we can say is org, that is madhubanmurli.org. Same Murli will be there. Here only different, here there is, you can say all 26 languages are there. Suppose we go English. So English. Same Murli is there, 23rd sweet children, make yourself worthy of claim. So some, that side is down. You can use this side also. Here you can say, suppose you wanted to listen,
Okay.
you can listen the movie.
This is the Sakar Murli of 23rd of May.
Even the song is there. If you wanted to play the song, so if you wanted to download the Murli or audio or whatever you want, all facilities are available on the fingertip of yourself. Only you have to try. You have to make some effort to go ahead. So this is, you can say, the direct connection how to make with him. Second way of doing this thing, we have so many programs all over the world. There are so many retreat centers are there. There are so many programs are going on even in Mount Abu and all around the world. So if you more interested to know about Brahma Kumaris or Supreme Godfather, we have another two site which is indicated the slide posted today. We have already posted the slide. So all these sites are there. So one site is bkdrluhar.com. So if you go there, everything is available here. Latest lectures going on in Mount Abu, all program. And suppose here on the below, this is important thing, on left side, you see the different sections, language sections are there. Here you can say Baba, Mama and Adi Dev. So when Dada was there all that time, all the seniors were there who were from the beginning of this Brahma Kumari 1936 to up till today. So all lectures are there. Then in the popular classes, suppose you know about Shivani Ben. Suppose you wanted to know Shivani Ben, all lecture the Shivani Ben, you click here. then all this series will come here. If you click any series Happy Living, then all episodes are posted here. So you don't have to go one by one. On happiness, all episodes in the one stroke only. Suppose there are so many others are there who are very seniors to her, even Shivani Ben, and they are very experienced. Suraj Bhai is there, Dr. Sachin Bhai is, everything is available here. Here you can say daily Murli. So if you click here, you will jump on the class, Murli class every day. And what is this? All Murlis, Sakar, Avyak, then daily. You will get the all treasure of all the Murlis. You can say, as for example, Avyak Murli 1969 to 2016 zip file is there. So 69, Dada left the body. Then Supreme Godfather is coming in the body of one sister called Dadi Gulja. Dada means elder brother in Sindhi. Dadi means elder sister, nothing else. Dada Dadi doesn't mean grandfather and grandmother. No, they are elder brother and elder sisters. So all the Murli after 1969, all the words spoken by Shiv Baba is here 69 to 2016, and all the Murli which is Sakar means when Brahma was there, Dada was there in his body. So all the Murli are posted here 2005 to 2017. That is the 12 years Murli. So all everything is available. There is no secret. Nothing has been hide. Whatever he is spoken, everything available in MP3 because in those days MP4 was not there up to 69. So MP3 everything is available. PDF everything is available. Translation is available in 27 languages. So whatever language you like, you can go and read the Murli. But we strongly suggest that you should practice at least for 2 to 3 months so that if you find anything is there and 100% it is a guarantee from him and our experience says it will work. Only you have to make some effort in the beginning. Once you are, you can say, used to, then you can go ahead very easy. So this is the source of everything. All the classes of either Shivani Ben or you can say whoever seniors are there, the source, main source is the Murli. That is the class spoken by the Supreme Being. That is the source of power, source of knowledge, everything is inside it. So it is the way of his working through the words, through the Murlis. So one way of working to touch our intellect while doing meditation. Second way of working, he is touching us or keeping us our company through his classes or Murli. Third way, suppose we are in problem, we are his children. So father's duty is always helping to the children. We have experience of the father, ne? We all have a father. So he will make somebody an instrument to solve our any kind of situation. So this is the three way of working because he has no his body, own body. So he is working this through method. One, touching our intellect while meditating or remembering him. Second, giving answers of all the questions through Murli. Third, he is making some instrument, somebody as an instrument, and we can go ahead with his help. So this is the three way of himself. So this is the one side, you can say general side. Even suppose you wanted to see doctor's lecture, all doctor's lectures are there who are surrendered to Brahma Kumar. Dr. Satish Gupta is a heart specialist, Dr. Girish Patel is a psychologist, Dr. Prem Masand is an oncologist, and Dr. Sriman Sahu is a diabetes and specialist doctor. So many doctors are there. You can go that lecture. A series, different series on the TV is coming. Baba Milan classes are there when Shiv Baba is coming in the body of Dadi Guljar. At that time, 30,000 people are meeting to the Supreme Godfather. And there will be program of about, you can say, 5 to 6 days at Mount Abu. And at that time, whatever the classes of senior brothers are there, everything is being uploaded here. Means if you have a time, now we have a time because of coronavirus we have got some chance to have some time, so we can use our time for the benefit of ourselves. We are not doing for anybody else. We are all doing for ourselves, not for anybody else. We wanted to improve our life. And that's the reason we have, you can say, this kind of courses, nothing else. So if you wanted to go professor classes, see, professor classes are here. Suppose you wanted to go Professor Swaminathan, who is IIT professor. Suppose you wanted to managing your memory, then it is here, MP4. If you make your mind your best friend, it is here. MP4, MP3, everything is available. Just you give some time to yourself to improve yourself, not for anybody else. Then brother classes are there who are senior brothers here. Everything available. You play around this site and you will get a lot materials. Another site. This is com site. Another ORG site, same kind of site with different, you can say, look, that we call as a, you can say, jewels.brahmakumaris.org. You can see the site is coming. This is the site. So every day, whatever the class is running at Mount Abu, that are uploaded in Hindi, English, then English, different classes, Murlis are there. Here they, you can go to the next page at the bottom. So again, at least for 3 months, all the latest classes are uploaded here. So if you have extra time by reading the Murlis, which are the main source of everything, the senior brothers or senior peoples who are in Brahma Kumari's knowledge so many years, they will share the knowledge. You can hear that knowledge also. So this is the one method how to remain in company of him. In short. So first part we have covered, that is we can say satsang, the company of the truth through this part. And third one, we have 24 by 7 two TVs are there. Suppose you are putting on the, you can say, internet, pmtv.in. PM is peace of mind TV. Simply you can remember Prime Minister TV also. So you will get two TVs here on the internet. No need of any, you can say, channel or anything. There are two. One is PM TV. On bottom there is Awakening TV. Both are owned by Brahma Kumaris. And 24 by 7 program is running on TV. So whatever you wanted to know, this is PM TV. If suppose you said no, I wanted to see Awakening TV. So this is the
ऐसा
Awakening TV.
बहुत होता है।
See, lecture is going
जैसे
on.
देखो मधुबन में कोई भी एनटीवी आता है। आजकल तो मैं हमने देखा है माताओं को मारने वाले या ऐसे तंग करने वाले कम ही होते हैं।
Dadi Guljar, who
तो
is the
अभी
chief
थोड़ा
administrative
प्रभाव
head of
आना
Brahma
बढ़ गया है
Kumaris,
ना।
and whose
लेकिन
body now
पहले
Shiv Baba is
तो
coming.
बहुत गाली देने वाला,
So,
बांट
see, he is
देने
giving a
वाला,
lecture,
उसको
so
कैसे
some
भी
lectures are
करके
going on. So,
माताएं ले
you
आती थी ना।
can listen whatever you want. Everything is available on your fingertip. So, this is how to keep the company of him through internet. Now, what is the second one? We go further. So now divine virtue, second base of the Raj. First is the company Satsang, company of truth. So how to keep the company of him, that we already covered. Divine virtues. We Hinduism believe in deities, other religion believe in angels, but they all have divine virtues. There are main 8 divine virtues indicated here. That is indicated in the form of bouquet. So in the beginning, you can see in the picture, this is a purity. What is indicated here? Purity means clean and clear. Clean means we should keep our body clean, surrounding clean. And clear means we should, whatever we should think, we should speak and act accordingly. What we are doing, we are thinking something and we are doing something. There is always mismatch. And that is, you can say, greatly hampering our system, all kind of system. That's the reason purity means we should be clear and we should be clean. Next, introversion. Introversion doesn't mean that only we have a moan or we are not speaking. No. Godfather says introversion means not even thinking which is negative and waste. That is real introversion. A third quality is, you can say, on that patience. What we are doing in are thought in the mind first, and then it comes in reality. So we should not have a fear when Supreme Godfather is with us, who is the Almighty Authority. Fourth, you can say virtue is sweetness. So not sweetness of the words only. Again, sweetness with the thoughts too. Then next is humility. We are human being, so we must have humility for all the souls. They are the children of the same supreme being, just like what we are. So we must have a humility for everybody. Then cheerfulness. So it is not a plastic smile. Cheerfulness means cheerfulness even in thoughts. And then finally tolerance. Tolerance means it is a sahanashilta, it is a quality. So eight powers and eight you can say virtues. These are the main virtues of the deities or angels. Actually, there are 36 virtues. That's the reason we are offering a bhog or offering a prasad to deities of 36 qualities. What is that? Actually, deities, they are eating very, very less. We will cover in the next weekend's aspect. Third aspect of Raj Yoga, that is pure food, but they are eating very, very less and natural foods for them only. Whatever we are preparing, that they are not eating, that we are preparing for ourselves only as per our taste. But they have 36 divine virtues. You can see all one by accuracy, appreciation, benevolence, blah blah blah. On left hand side, good wishes, honesty, humility, introspection, lightness, blah blah blah. Up to tolerance, that is up to generosity. We covered all 8 main virtues here also, which already we indicated in the previous book here. But total quality, sarva guna sampan, full of all virtues, that is 36 virtues. In remembrance of that, we are offering 36 types of bhogs, or you can say prasad, to the deities. Actually, they have 36 qualities. Then another quality or another aspect of deity is they are 16 celestial degrees full. What do you mean by 16 celestial degrees full? There are 16 celestial arts in each and every deity or angels. What is that? That is art of learning and teaching, art of dealing and pleasing, art of remaining careful in relaxation, blah blah blah. 8 on right hand side, 8 on the left hand side, art of publicity, art of entertainment, art of leadership, blah blah, up to the art of social service. Brahma Kumaris have two books, you can say great, about 300 pages for both different, you can say celestial arts, 16 and 36 divine virtues. When you have a time, you can go to the center, or you can even upload, you can download from the website, or the something is available, you can read when you have a time. So deities means, or angels means, they have it divine virtues and all celestial arts or celestial degrees. So this is the second aspect, and we have to put in practice gradually and slowly to put everything in our life. Baba is teaching every day in the Murli all these aspects, one by one. Every day you can say different aspects, so that it goes to our subconscious mind. What is the principle of subconscious mind? Subconscious mind principle says, if we are not repeating the particular things within 24 hours, our mind will lose after some time. So it is necessary to read the Murli every day for certain time for an experiment. If you feel that no, it is helping me, you can go ahead as a daily practice, routine practice. It is up to you to decide. So these are the all qualities and arts of the celestial arts of the deities. And Godfather has come to transform human beings into deity, to transform iron aged world to the golden aged world. And he wants only what? He don't want any money, any wealth from ourselves. He want only, you can say, cooperation of positive and elevated thoughts, nothing else. And the source of positive and elevated thoughts is his versions. Now, third aspect of the Raj Yoga, that is pure food. What food we should eat and what food we should not eat. So on the Left hand side, it is permitted, that is vegetables, grains, pulses, milk and butter. On the right hand side, Godfather says, if you are using this food, somebody have, you can say, from parents, from families, from, you can say, so many things, they have normal foods. As for example, no meat, no fish, no eggs, no alcohol, no smokings. If we are going to the temple of any deity, Lakshmi and Narayan, and we are offering a bhog or prasad, whether we are offering anything out of this, any meat, any fish, any egg, any alcohol bottle or any bidi, cigarette, tamakus, no, because this is not their food. Supreme Godfather has come to convert human being into deities. If we have any habit of this thing, Godfather says no problem. We should try, we should experiment for 1 to 2 months by living one of the aspects. Suppose we are taking that one, and experiment on yourself. Godfather says it is only additional prescription. Suppose we go to the doctor, somebody is a diabetes, then doctor will prescribe the medicine. In addition to that, doctor will tell that, okay, don't eat much sugar. This is just like that one. Means main thing is the Murli class. This is the additional prescription or pareji, one can say, that we should avoid that kind of food during our, you can say, when we are experimenting Murli classes. If we are not able to continue, but it will take more time to get whatever you want, to get experience. If you want some particular experience, it will be hindrance your way. So it is additional prescription. So experiment 2 to 3 months and let us see what is happening on your body. And don't leave any habit immediately. Try to control something and go ahead. So why Godfather says don't eat this kind of the foods? What is the effect on the food? Why? Suppose you are going to the temple and you are taking one prasad or halwa. Suppose you are preparing a halwa, means mother is preparing a halwa at home. Same halwa, suppose we are buying from this shop and we are eating. You will have a different taste of each halwa. Why? Because when somebody is preparing a food, whatever he is thinking, vibration is passing through the food. So the quality of halwa, what you are eating from this temple, is very good. Why? Because the feelings, the emotions which is passing while preparing that food, in that food is very high quality. All the, you can say, contents of the halwa is same, or you can say food is same. Still, the mother who is preparing food or wife who is preparing food, there is a love for the family. And suppose you are eating halwa from the shop or from the kandois, you can say, shop, or from halwa shop, then what will happen? They have a, you can say, intention of making more and more profit from that thing. Why relationships are breaking nowadays too much as compared to past world? Because everything we are consuming ready-made foods, where vibrations of profits are only there, nothing else. It is a great effect. Science has proved. Science has proved many things, but it is not coming to the public because there are so many industries which are coming on the ways. Science even says you should eat with the hand and not with the spoon. Put on the Google. Why it says like that? Reason, because when you are touching any food, means, you can say, sensation passes through fingers to your mind and hormones are released accordingly. Scientifically proved. We are not telling you that you should eat the food with your hand. No, that is not our intention. But what we mean to say, science supports spirituality fully in present days. But real research or scientific research, many research are there which are not coming to the public or coming for a very short time, and it is being removed or replaced because of greed of the people, because of so many industrialists is coming on the way. So reality has been, you can say, obscured, or reality has been hidden. So we should be very, very careful what we are consuming. Even science has proved to that extent by you can say in the states they have made so many experiment, of course, on the non-veg people. What they did when you can say when they have you can say meat from goat. So different condition of the goat they you can say put to the pieces. So one got in a normal condition, one got in a irritated condition, one got while giving a music and this thing and that thing. And they find out with the help of EEG, electroencephalogram machine, thought reader machine. And they find out when particular food you can say eating, which is coming, because the meat is coming from irritated animals, you will get that kind of thoughts. They have proved everything. It doesn't mean that we should eat the non-veg food. No, but whatever we are eating, it has definitely have impact on us. Even example of you can say Dr. Emoto, who is a you can say scientist in Japan. Suppose you put water crystal experiment of Dr. Emoto, even you forget the name, simply put water crystal experiment of scientist. It will come. What he did, he taken different samples of the water. He taken out the pictures or you can say photographs of the water before you can say giving any kind of vibration to that water. Then he put different samples, called the people of 100 people in one batch, and told that give the vibration to this bottle as a irritation, anger. One bottle as a peace, and he was you can say measuring the thoughts what people are giving with the thought reader machine. And finally proved that those samples, those bottles, those waters, which are written with peace, happiness, love, there is a very good crystals formation after that vibration was given to that water. And the water which was given a vibration of you can say anger, you can say anxiety, fear, that you can say crystal was not up to the mark as the previous photographs. It indicates that whatever we are thinking, that is passes through the water. That's the reason in our you can say ancestors, they were not eating anything outside, not even drinking the water outside. They were not foolish. We are not telling you you follow strictly, but what we mean, everything science has proved what we were doing in the past. And our body, it contains 70% approximately water. So if we are thinking anything, it passes through everything. So that's the reason there is a saying, think before you think. And there is a severe need to change our thought pattern, because everything starts from the thoughts, nothing else. So it is the importance of the pure food. Experiment for some time in your life. Don't accept blindly even the knowledge or any kind of you can say dharana is there, any kind of inculcation of habit is there. Experiment for 2 to 3 months and let us see what is happening in your life and go ahead. Fourth you can say aspect of the Raj Yoga is our relationship with the God. We say Tameva Mata cha Pita Tameva Bandhu sa Chakha Tameva Vidya Dravinam Tameva Sarva Mama Deva Deva. We have all relationship with the God. Let us experiment. You don't have to tell anything, only you think. You have your parents, spouse, children's, family, relatives, friends, co-workers. Out of that, select 6 persons only, not more than that. In each group, there are two groups, and don't repeat it. You don't have to tell anybody which you have presumed. Simply create a picture in your mind of 6 persons who are near one and dear one to you. So first circle, 2 persons. Second circles, another 2 persons. Third circle, another 2 persons. Don't repeat the persons, and you can select anybody who is most near one and dear one to you. So first 2 person, then don't repeat that person. Out of the remaining person, again 2 person. So 4 person, and again in third circle 2 person out of the remaining. So 6% you have selected. And if now suppose you ask yourself only that whether you put God anywhere, majority say no. Means we are singing only sake of singing, we don't understand. So Godfather says, why he is our mother? Because when we come in this world, mother teaches us how to walk, how to talk, how to behave in the society. So how the Godfather plays this role? Godfathers every day speaks the Murli or class of 3 pages, and in every Murli, every day, Baba, like a mother, teaches us how to speak, what to think, what not to think. So he is our mother. He is our father. We are getting inheritance from the father. When Supreme Godfather comes, he is coming with heaven on his palm. And he is giving the inheritance of the heaven. So he is our father. He is our teacher, or sorry, he is our sibling, because what is the duty of the sibling? He will guide us just like a mother. So through his Murli, he is guiding like a sibling. He is our friend. Even we can talk anything, we can share anything with the friend, but there is a chance that friend may leak something. This friend is like that, Khuda dost. He will never leak anything. So you can share anything with him through thoughts only. He is our teacher because every day he is teaching us 3 pages of Murli or class. He is our Sadguru because he comes and shows the way to the supreme abode and to the golden age. So he is our Satguru. He is the Guru of all Gurus. Paritran Sadhunam. He is coming to uplift even sadhus also because they even don't know. He is surgeon because he comes and makes surgery of the soul, not the body. From iron age, we can say soul, to the golden age soul. He is Bilward. He is the husband of all husbands because he comes and adorns us not with this jewelry but with the jewelry of knowledge, power, and virtues. So he is husband of all husbands or Bilward. He is child. Godfather says, I take the care of whole the world. So don't worry about us. Consider myself as a child. If I am ready to take the responsibility of the world, whether I will not take responsibility of my children. So he is our child. So we have all relationship with the Supreme Godfather. Why we are relating him with different relations? Because we used to have the relationship to remember. So to remember Godfather, when we are dealing with our parent, we should always have consciousness that my real parent, or you can say incorporeal parent, is Supreme Godfather. So we relate everything and we can increase our remembrance, and with increasing our remembrance we are connecting with him more and more. We are getting more and more power to stabilize ourselves. So all relationship with the God. Acha, almost 55 minutes over. So our lesson is over. We did, you can say, meditation. We will post that video also on the internet. You can do with yourself. If you have any question, we can go ahead.